How to make dalgona. The things needed are baking soda, sugar, ladle, chopstick, and a turner. First step, put 2 tablespoons of sugar into the ladle. Then melt the sugar in low fire. Stir it using the chopstick. If the glaze is still sticky, just keep stirring it. The glaze doesn't stick anymore, so it's time to add the baking soda. Just dip the chopstick to get some baking soda. Avoid putting much powder, otherwise it will turn so bitter. Just keep stirring. Stir it till it becomes creamy. If you notice, sometimes I remove it from the fire to avoid it from getting burned. The ladle itself is hot enough. Now it's time to pour it on a flat surface. You have to do this real quick or else it will solidify. I'm using this aluminum plate to flatten it. So it's very simple, just press it twice. So I'm using this cookie or fruit molder to create a shape in the middle. Alright, so done with my first ever dalgona. And then use a turner to remove it. This is optional. You can put some flour first before laying it to the pan. If you don't have a pan for your dalgona, foil would do. I thought of adding something for a change. So I just crushed the biscuit from Oreo. Next ingredient, crushed nuts. Last but not least is crushed butterscotch. Now let's make some drinks. Place the coconut into the blender. Then add some dalgona. Put some milk as well. Next, pour the coconut juice. Lastly, add some crushed ice or ice cubes. So while waiting for this drink, let me just share something about dalgona. My students are all professionals and they told me that dalgona is a children's game. It's a game that they played when they were very young, and also they have an experience creating their own dalgona. This candy is normally found around schools, which is being sold by the elders or the seniors in Korea. In case you visit Korea, you buy this, play the game. Once you win, you go back to the seller and claim your prize, which is dalgona. It's time to eat! So in this video, I'm also featuring the most famous noodle dish in my hometown, which is called Pancit Batil Patong. This dalgona video will not be possible if not because of my students, so let me just take this opportunity to thank them as well. Jeong Seon, Seon, Hye Na, and Ji Soo, thank you so much for your tips for teaching me how to make the sugar candy. To my viewers, in case you'd like to make this, make sure to take a photo or to take a video of it right away because it easily melts. Once again, thank you so much for watching. This has been Eliza. I'll see you in our next one. Bye!